Hello everybody, this is Dr. Park from Smile Diamond Bar. I would like to take a moment to say hi to everybody out there and just kind of share my days at the dental office today. So usually this time of the day, this waiting area is just completely full with the people waiting to get their dental treatment, but for the last 2.5 weeks we've been having a modified schedule and only available for any kind of dental emergencies. But we have a Teresa right here. Hey,
hi,
Teresa.
everybody. We hope everyone is staying safe. Just know that we do miss you guys. And if you guys do need any dental emergencies or anything like that, I'm here to answer any of your phone calls.
X-ray area and all these fancy X-ray machines and all that, they're all empty. Always, consultation is no fun. It's just kind of like sitting quietly. And there's the upper tree. There's another upper tree. There's another upper tree. All just kind of like pretty quiet and empty. So we have Dr. Lee and Teresa here. We'd like to share the word.
Hello, bless my family and friends. I hope everybody's doing well in this critical time. We are here to serve you when you have any dental emergency. If you have any dental emergencies, please contact the office, call to the office, and then you can actually visit our website, and then there's going to be instruction to do some virtual consultation. Feel free to contact us, and we are ready for you. Bye everyone, I hope to see you soon.
Okay, stay healthy people.
Stay healthy.
Bye.